The world of online writing is a vast and ever-changing landscape, with new opportunities emerging every day for writers to earn money from their work. Whether you are a professional writer looking for new outlets for your work, or just starting out and looking to build your portfolio, there are countless online writing services that can help you get your foot in the door. One of the most popular and well-established online writing services is Upwork. This platform connects writers with clients from all over the world, providing a wide range of opportunities to earn money from your writing skills. Whether you are a copywriter, a blogger, or a fiction writer, Upwork has something to offer you. Another great option for online writers is Textbroker. This platform specializes in providing high-quality content to businesses and websites and offers a variety of writing assignments to choose from.